What's up, guys? It's your boy Alpha Z34 and welcome to another banger. Today, as you can see, we are at the track. It's pretty much like racing on the street. This is another track that's in my hometown, but got the fuel, got the car loaded up right here, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, man. Got a badass race trailer right here. That thing is freaking sick, but it's one of the cars in there. I think they got a couple, and then there's a few more going that way and a few more going this way, but it's supposed to be a test and tune and then a shootout later on, but I don't think we're gonna enter the shootout. Some of my boys are coming a little bit later on, so we're gonna see how that turns out. But so I am gonna be recording off my phone today just because my GoPro is dead and I'm charging it in the truck right now, so hopefully in a minute it'll be fully charged. But some sick car. How's it going, bro? I think it's sick. Nicest car. Like another nicest car. So both of these cars are nicest cars. It's actually pretty sick. Oh, look at that turbo. Big old turbo car. That thing right there is nasty. That looks good, I'm not gonna lie. I like that one. This one I think was in 8L, but I'm not too sure. Oh, this is the one that we saw passing through by Austin. Remember? This thing is pretty sick. How's it going, brother? Pretty good. This thing is sick, though. I like it. That's the nicest car as well. Said that these guys are from Florida. That's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I like that. Got a fat turbo on the front. Y'all cool if I record, right? Okay. Yeah. This thing's pretty sick. So this one's pretty sick. This one was doing a little driver earlier. This one's pretty sick too. Twin turbos in the front. This one's a big turbo in the front. Big single. And today I won't be doing too much driving. I might do 1 or 2 hits, but she's gonna be doing all the driving. Get her some seat time and see how everything goes. So super excited about that. Pretty sure she's nervous, but she'll be all right. It's the only way to get better at it. She's used to driving on the streets and she's really good on the streets, but right here on the track it's a little bit different, so she's really nervous. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're headed to the front. So she's about to get a test pass in, and then we're gonna see how it goes. But super excited, and she's a little bit nervous, but it's all good. We'll figure it out. You all right? Shot. Yeah. Nah, you gotta worry about it. She's used to racing on the streets, man. She's nervous. When I put E in. Alright, so we are about to load the new file. The new file onto the car, and then I'm gonna put E in, and then we're gonna go do a test run, data log it, send it back. So we're gonna see how it goes. So that's what I'm doing right now. Nah, he good. But yeah, so now I'm gonna get all this uploaded and everything. Then we're gonna take it up there, do a test hit, and then go from there. So let's get to it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show my homie showed up. My boy Josiah right there, my boy Cam. They about to go run. Got this SS. The Hellcat over here, I ran him in my car. So he's about to go do a test, and then I don't know if this guy's gonna run. So we're probably gonna try to catch them guys up there in a minute. So guys, I know y'all saw that. So right now, the transmission, everything under that car is fucked. So right now, just heating up the track. Alright guys, so as you can see, my GoPro has been pretty much dead the whole day. So I'm gonna have to take some clips from the GoPro and some clips from my iPhone. But beyond all of that, man, yeah, we're leaving the track now. And yeah, man, I would say today was pretty good, man. She got her some hits in. The car was moving. A lot of people was impressed with it, how good it moved out. The problem is obviously launching the car. So with that, man, it was some struggles, and I try to figure it out. But golly, everything's wrapped around the buildings. Yeah, that line's way too long. But long story short, ended up snapping the axle. So we gotta get that fixed, which obviously with these cars, when it hooks and you load it, she was racing a pretty fast vehicle and decided to just, didn't decide to just unload, but she just dumped the clutch, and it happens, right? So she's pretty upset about it, but it's just part of dig racing, and it's gonna happen. So luckily axles is not that big of a deal. Get it fixed, replaced, and get back out and get back to doing it. So beyond all of that, man, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. She's salty, but we're out. Peace.